Hey, how's it hanging guys? I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. Over the last couple of months, I've been on the lookout for a new backpack for my everyday tech carry. So that's a backpack I'm going to be using for commuting to work as well as anywhere else I might be going. And I guess I found it difficult to find one that I would like. That's when I discovered Liam Porritt's YouTube channel, which, by the way, I highly recommend checking it out. I will leave a link down below in the description of this video. And yeah, basically, this is his product. So I'm gonna be checking it out today. So yeah, the brand itself is called Menos. And first thing is first, judging by what I'm seeing online, it actually looks like a pretty decent backpack and it doesn't really cost too much to break the bank. So let's have a look at what we have inside of the box. Okay. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Now, I would like to add, when I actually purchased this bag, I actually planted a tree along with it, which I think is pretty cool, especially for the environment. Anyway, let's have a look at what is inside of the bag. So this is all really nicely presented. Now it does state not to break this bag in case you want to return it. I'm just going to get some scissors. It's the only scissors I could find. Any scissors are scissors, I guess. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. Now I went with the black version of this bag, but I believe there's a grey version as well. So yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was actually as well. So yeah, the first thing that you see is a label saying, hey, I'm made from recycled plastic. I'm also one of the first 600 Menos backpacks ever, which actually I think is pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. In terms of the material, the straps for starters feel pretty soft and foily actually. I'm not sure if you can hear that. But most importantly of all, they feel soft. I like how they put the Menos logo up here on this sort of, I'm not sure if it's real leather or not, but this leather effect bar at the top. So first thing is first, you have a pocket here, which appears to be for your tech, such as your smartphones. It's very soft inside of here, making it perfect for that sort of thing. Or maybe your AirPods case, something like that, which can easily get scratched. There is a USB-A port here, which obviously is for connecting a power bank to, so you can charge your phone or any other device with it, which is pretty cool. But open the main compartment. This is what it looks like inside. So first of all, we've got a whole bunch of paper, which I'm going to put to the side. And there's a USB cable here for your power bank. And yeah, it looks like there's some pretty decent pockets here. You've got a pocket like that here, which is pretty cool which is pretty useful for a bottle or one of those travel mugs. You've got another rather large pocket here. You can put something like an umbrella in there. You've got a similar sized pocket here. You also have your... right, so this is a pretty cool area to hide your power bank as well. You've got another pocket up here. Pretty roomy. It will be a great place for cables as well as accessories. And yeah, on the other side there is a pocket for your laptop, which is actually pretty nicely padded. Got a second pocket here for something smaller, like a tablet or an iPad of some form, maybe an e-reader. Yeah. So all in all, it is a bit of a basic backpack, but it looks like a pretty decent quality backpack, and time will only tell whether it's the right backpack for my everyday carry. But yeah, as a whole, my first impressions are pretty positive.